All right. Yes, I'm Dan Van Steenhuyse, and I'm 65 years of age, in case you're wondering. I'm here in Vinton, Iowa, and I'm working on the planting soybeans today with the Kinsey 3660 and the Kinsey Blue Vantage monitor system, which I like both systems. They are both so advanced and so user-friendly from an operator standpoint. It's got good shutoffs, very easy to control. Everything that I want to look at is very accessible. I can look at all the different planter rows. I can see how much I have in my bean bulk tanks back there as far as weight and how many acres each tank's going to feed out at the present population that I've got. They also have sensors to activate each row to make sure it's working properly. And the 450 acres, I've only had a few hiccups, and they're quite minor. I had a piece of lint get in and plug the 1 meter one time, but that's a human error. When my one sensor went bad because of that fuzz, it actually popped up and showed me that I had a row number such and such wrong, and I was able to identify what was wrong with that particular row. It's got great adjustments for the markers, very easy tabs. I can go up and change my vacuums and my bulk fill and my downforce just in a touch of the screen. The tool section, I'm very impressed with that. It's an idiot-proof status where you just walk down the menu, holding it and holding your hydraulics in it. It all adjusts the planter and folds and unfolds the planter with ease. When I was given the planter, I got a 5-minute tutorial on how to run the monitor, and Phil basically after that said, "You figure it out." And so we want you to see if you can figure it out on your own. And I think I have. So if I can do it, most anybody else can do it. So.